Hello and welcome to another Mario Party 6 minigame review. Last time, we reviewed Trapeze Artist, and yeah, wasn't good at all. A minigame that completely relied on luck. Yippee, but at least it was a free-for-all. I can give it that. And speaking of free-for-all minigames, we got another one on our hands, that being Treasure Trawlers. So, without any more filler, let's get to the review, shall we? So here's how you play this minigame. You and the other three players are in a lake that is surrounded by, I think, an ancient monument. And basically, your job is to look for treasures within that sunken monument. You gotta do this by using the rumble feature on your controller. Normal treasures are worth 1 point, golden treasures are worth 3 points, and bababs will stun you for a bit and are worth absolutely nothing. But really, this minigame also kind of just suffers a lot of the problems that Trapeze Artist has. Just complete random luck with what it has to do. Also, there are points where the rumble feature can be pretty janky at points. Because during this round specifically, I had problems with trying to grab stuff. And it just got super annoying. And it just kind of just drags down the pacing. And also for the fact that the animation of trying to pick up something is also just very, very tedious. And it just drags on for so long. I will at least say there's skill, because you have to use the rumble feature to find something. However, that's also not going to help, because there's also a luck factor. Because you don't know what you're going to get. Because you don't know if you're going to get a normal treasure, golden, or bababs. It basically is going to come down to luck on what you get, which is just stupid. I can at least say this has more skill than Trapeze Artist, and maybe Freeze Frame. And yeah, I don't think anyone's going to remember that minigame. But yeah, this minigame is also just, it's just lackluster. There's almost nothing I can really say about this minigame. It's just boring. Just extremely boring and tedious. Just the worst use of the rumble feature. Let's just get to the overall review, shall we? Yes, I know. So quick. I can explain Treasure Trawlers in a whopping 3 words. Tedious, rumbled luck. Basically the best way to describe this minigame. Basically just that. I will say I do like the fact that you're using the rumble feature on your controller. That not many minigames actually do that. However, my problem is that there's an element of luck added to it. You can have a chance of getting a normal treasure chest, a golden one, or even a babab. Why would you have a minigame that basically follows the instructions and you get screwed over by it? It's pretty tedious, and also for the fact that you have to wait for the crane animation to completely finish. It's so slow at points. I can at least say there's more skill in this one than Trapeze Artist and Freeze Frame, but that's not really saying much at all. I'm going to give it 2 stars. And that's it for today. Up next, we're reviewing Trick or Treat. See you guys then.